Hello everybody. Today I want to share using experience with headphones new Bee BH58 after 1 year of operation. My wife gifted me new Bee BH58 for my birthday and she bought it at the Rosetta store. Our headphones, charging cable. Cable for work without Bluetooth. And USB adapter. Manual. On our headphones, we have an on and off button and a mute button. Controlling tracks and volume. They are adjustable in height very easily, but they will probably be too small for a big head. Headphones are very light. Their main feature is that the microphone has a mode of voice cancelling and works not badly. The noise of the air conditioner, colleagues, and the sound of the street filters out quite well. To my surprise, it has good stereo sound and you can listen to music and even play games with ease. I use the headphones every day in talk mode for about 2 hours in mono mode. Listening to music in stereo mode for 2 to 3 hours. In this mode of use, I charge it once every 7 days. If you talk in stereo mode, they will charge much faster. Now I will show you how to connect these headphones to Windows. When connecting for the first time, you need to press the connection button in the Windows settings, as well as on the headphones themselves. During subsequent connections, they will be connected automatically. Also, on my channel, you can find many interesting videos on configuring Windows and much more. Subscribe so you don't miss any interesting and useful videos.